As you choose your classes, you really want to consider how much time you have during the week to dedicate to your studies. For example, if you take 12 units, that's about 3 to 4 classes, you want to have at least 3 times the units in hours a week. So for example, for 12 units, you're going to want at least 24 to 36 hours a week. For 15 units, if you take 15 times 3, that's 45 hours a week. That means in addition to being in class, you're going to have coursework that's such as reading, studying, group work, reports, that's going to take up most of your week. That's why we say when you're taking 12 to 15 units, you are a full-time student. And so with that being said, you don't particularly want to be a full-time student and a full-time worker. You want to balance your work and your responsibilities along with your schoolwork, as there is only 168 hours in a week. So some of the things to keep in mind is that if you do work outside of school 10 to 20 hours a week, we're recommending anywhere from 12 to 15 units. If you are working more than 20 hours a week, we're recommending about 6 to 12 units, and I would go closer to the 6. Something else to keep in mind is although taking online classes might cut your commute time, it doesn't cut the actual time that you will need for your studies. So please keep that in mind. Another thing is that if you are receiving financial aid, you want to make sure that you are completing all the classes that you attempt and that you're taking classes for your specific goal. In addition to that, you don't want to take too many classes that are not for your goal or too many classes in general, because that can also put your financial aid in jeopardy.